Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you experience no sound during calls on your Redmi 17. So first of all, you should try adjusting your sound using volume buttons on your smartphone. Also, while adjusting the sound, tap the three-dot icon over here and check whether you have the call sound and try adjusting its own level. If you don't see your call sound here, go to settings, go to sound and vibration, and in this menu manually increase the volume. Make sure that you don't have silent mode enabled. Make sure that you don't have do not disturb mode enabled in this menu, and also disable your Bluetooth temporarily to make sure that your sound doesn't get outsourced to your Bluetooth device. Now, if this doesn't help you, try physically clean the earpiece of your device right here using a soft brush. Do not use any metallic tools. And lastly, restart your smartphone, press power button and volume up key, swipe the circle down to reboot the smartphone, and wait. After the restart, try checking other applications for the same issue. So make sure that, check the WhatsApp, for example, maybe Messenger or whatever applications you use on your phone, and if you still hear no sound, then definitely reach out to Redmi customer support service, because this might be a hardware issue at this point. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.